Hello everyone, and welcome to my site. My site is dedicated to the theory of Pangea, and if you don't know what this is, that's okay, because that is why my site is here. This site will give you a brief history of what Pangea is, and it will also tell you how the theory of Pangea would lead to the modern environment that we know today, and how it would also lead to the continent structure and basically the way the Earth is as we know it. My microsite will consist of videos, diagrams, and pictures that will help you understand the theory and process that led to the modern day continents. I also show the resources and references that I used to develop my site. So kids, this is the basic idea of how you're gonna make your video. I would suggest this format, that you just create a video like this, you introduce yourself, you talk about briefly the content of your site, how to use your site, and that's it. So I did it this way because I want you to see what not to do, right? I like the general idea, but of course, my computer is shaky. I don't know if you could see that. I don't think I am dressed appropriately. I would suggest that you could wear your school collared uniform shirt, or perhaps something snazzy if you have that. And not a crazy perfect background, but I think you guys can do better than a bottle of water and whatever's in the background. So I definitely encourage you to use this video as a starter board, but see if you can outdo Mr. Seth and make something better. So this will be the introduction video and 50% of your score, and will go at the top of your micro site.